Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a demo from Lush. This is their Unicorn Poop Bath Bomb. And this one is 5.3 ounces and it costs $9.25. It's described as a magical and magnificent fruity floral bath bomb with psychedelic swirls of color and glitter. Mine wasn't too active. I did order this several months ago. I didn't have many products left, so I ordered a bunch of stuff from a bunch of different companies, and it all kind of came in at once. So this has been sitting around a while, but I wouldn't think it would go bad. I know some people think they do. I don't know. So if you got this one, let me know if it was more active than mine. But when I first put it in the tub, I did smell the fruity scents and thought it smelled kind of sweet. And then later on, the more it dissolved, I did smell the florals. It's supposed to have a strawberry scent and then floral notes of jasmine and ylang. And it does have calamine powder in it, so the water is very soft, which a lot of their bath bombs I would describe as that. I checked on this bath bomb a time or two, and I even tried to crumble it, but it was solid. I couldn't break it at all. But there's a decent amount still left at this point. Yeah, hard as a rock though, could not break it. So I returned it to the tub, and eventually most of it did dissolve. There's just a little tiny piece of pink left. But here's what the water looked like at the end. Soft pink. And that is what I have for you today. If you guys would like to see more demos from Lush and other companies, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.